Flora?
What is it, Fauna?
I came to fetch you for our monthly meeting with the Global Sisterhood. It started 10 minutes ago.
Well, obviously, I don't plan on attending.
But Mother Nature, you are our leader. You have to be there.
The leader? I have been made aware that a large faction of our sisterhood is going to demand that I step down.
Are you having this sisterhood spied upon?
Of course not. But it has gotten back to me that at certain weekly group meetings, there is talk about dissatisfaction with my methods.
So, how did you... Of course. Flora. She seems to think that she is the resident news reporter.
In breaking news, there's a shakeup at the Global Sisterhood meeting. Mother Nature was a no-show.
Yes, Flora, the resident news reporter. Make no mistake, I do still have my allies. But let me ask you, how is it my fault that the humans of Earth have caused global warming?
No one in the sisterhood is blaming you for global warming. There are some that are concerned with the frequency and the severity of the natural disasters that you have unleashed on the planet.
Well, they shouldn't be concerned or surprised. I'm only doing my job, which is to protect planet Earth. It's nasty in there.
And we're all in agreement there. Please, just come to the meeting, Natura. We have a proposal which could be an excellent compromise.
What proposal would that be?
Well, there are humans working very hard trying to correct and prevent more global warming. We could send a faction of our sisterhood to infiltrate Earth and send this whole effort into overdrive.
Interesting. I'm going to need some time to think about this. Fauna, please go back to the meeting and have it rescheduled for tomorrow. But be aware that at tomorrow's meeting, I'm going to have numerous questions, and I expect you all to have an answer to every single one of them.
Understood. We will not let you down.
Good. Also, keep in mind our motto that has been in place for millennia, which is, don't fool with Mother Nature.